Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create event on Discord server. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Creating events on Discord is a fantastic way to engage your community, from games nights to online conferences. Using the Discord events calendar, you can effortlessly schedule and manage activities, ensuring your members stay informed. And in this video, I will show you how to create event on your Discord server. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first, you can just choose on the server that you want to create the event. For example, I will choose this one. Now, as you can see, there is like calendar on there. You can just tap on that. You can tap on create. You can choose where is your event for each channel or somewhere else. For example, maybe for channel, you can select the channel on the gaming lobby or on the lobby. Now you can just tap on next. Here you can just enter the event topic. Maybe you want to create event for Mobile Legends. Now you can just start the date, maybe for tomorrow. Now you can start time, enter the start time, maybe at 9 p.m. Tap on confirm. So after that, you can just add the event frequently. You can repeat this event, or you just want to create this event like this. Now you can add the description, but I will just skip this step. After that, you can just tap on next. Tap on create event. So here you have create event on your server. It's so simple, right? So that is how to create event on Discord server. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.